Okay, I'm over here cleaning the pontoons. Just put this on a few minutes ago on this side, right there. Back end's done. Turned to white. Looks good though. Nice clean aluminum. Did the back pontoon right there. Did up here. Still etching away. See the back side. This one hasn't been done yet. None of this has been done yet on this side. I'm gonna get to this. All right, it's gonna look better. Something to waste time and money on. There's the front. I haven't done that yet. It's cleaning up really good. I'm gonna just use my pail of water, rinse it down, then I'm gonna hook it up and take it to the hose. But this is the stuff I got. Aluminum Cleaner Restore.